Hello guys, how are you all? Trust you're all doing great. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to make a simple curved complementary card. So let's quickly open our Photoshop. Open your Photoshop. It's loading, initializing. We got our Photoshop open. So Alt Control N to create a new page and change from pixels to inches. From pixels to inches, and change the width to 3.5 and the height to 2 inches. Reduce the resolution to 300 pixels and leave the rest. So change the name to complementary card tests 3, and you got it. So now you can press on OK to accept it. Now we have our page. This is the default size of a complementary card actually. So quickly select your rectangular marquee, click on Alt and click on rounded rectangular 2. Click on rounded rectangular 2. So click right there. Increase your radius to 20 pixels. 20 pixels is cool, and press on enter. So draw your shape right here. So let's stop a little bit. Boom. So now we got our page. So click the fill and select none. Click on the none and it's gone, but we have our edges, so let's increase it a little bit. Click on the stroke and select color black, but it's too thick, so let's reduce it a little bit to 0.10% is cool. So click reduce your stroke to 0.10 pt and click on your move tool. Now use your arrow keys on your keyboard to adjust it to fit in the middle, or you can just hold Ctrl plus A to select all the page. Click on your align horizontally center and your align vertical center, and it's all centered. So Ctrl D to deselect, and now we got it centered. So now hold Ctrl A to select all. Ctrl T to free transform. Drag your vertical ruler to the center, and now you can leave it and press on enter to accept it. So go back to your rectangular 2, click there, click on rectangular 2, and now draw a shape right here. Make sure it's on in line with the first one. Draw a shape something like this, and now you can fill in with a blue color. Let's pick a blue color. Now drag the rectangular 2 backward. You got it. Alright, so what next? Ctrl T to free transform. Hold Ctrl and click at the left edge, bottom edge, and drag by holding shift key, control plus shift key, and drag it somewhere right here. Just silence shape and now release. So enter to accept it. Now you can. So let's duplicate this layer. Control J to duplicate and bring it forward. So let's change the color. Double click on it and change the color to, let's say, yellow, and drag it down. So we got this color as well. So quickly pick your rectangular tool again, draw a shape from here, draw right here something silent to this place. Click on your move tool, Control T to increase it a little bit. Now drag it under the yellow rectangular, then create a new layer by holding Control J whilst your rectangular tool is selected. So Control J to duplicate it, drag it somewhere right here, Control J again and drag it somewhere right here, Control T to free transform, then increase it a little bit, drag it to your right side, enter, Control J again, drop it down, and now it's cool. So we have our location, our telephone number, our Gmail, and our website under. So what are we going to do next? Select your rectangular tool, the rectangular one copy in the yellow background, Control J to duplicate it and increase it a little bit, move it forwardly to get the shape bigger. Now it's cool, so you can press on enter or the correct sign right here. Actually, we don't want the black colors. As you can see, we have some black color right here. We don't want it, so click on your rectangular marquee, click on the stroke color and pick none. Select the other one too and apply the same procedure. Click on none, select the color, click on none, select the color, the stroke color, click on none, select your rectangular copy, click on none, and the rectangular one stroke, click on none. Now we got it. I think this is now gone. Yep. So pick your rectangular tool again, click on your rectangular tool and draw a simple shape here, right here, like this, and change the color to black. Now hold Control T to free transform click on your control and hold the edge by holding shift again. So drag it somewhere right here to get a solid shape. Now it's cool. Enter to accept it. Let's move it in line. So let's reduce this one a little bit. Ctrl J to duplicate, drag it downward and increase. Ctrl T to increase it a little bit. Enter. Ctrl J, drag it downward. Let's go. Ctrl J, drag it downward. And now we got it this way. So now this is actually the back of the complementary card. We'll be doing the front two as well right now. So let's type, pick your text 2 or your horizontal type 2 and click on the blue background and type your name, maybe let's say Caleb Kui. Control enter. You see the Caleb Kui is not showing because there's a small layer at the top, so you drag the Caleb Kui to the top and now we got Caleb Kui right here. So Caleb's slogan, let's Control T and drag it downward, double click on it into brackets, maybe graphic designer, bracket close, Control 8 to select all, then reduce the size a little bit. Let's say 5 pt is cool. And now you can position it right here. Move to. So it's left its location, telephone number, and some stuffs. So quickly click on your file, open, and select your images that you are going to use to represent as the logo. So we have our WhatsApp logo right here, Gmail, location, and websites. Open to show up. Now our location is already in a PNG form, so you can just right click right here, duplicate layer, document type, you click there, you select complementary card test 3. Okay, now you can close it. No, we don't want to save it. Our location is not in PNG, so we can double click right here, enter to unlock it. Select any shape at all, maybe our rectangular marquee tool. Select some anywhere on your desktop. I click on select and click on similar to automatically select all the white and ash backgrounds for you. And now you can delete them by pressing delete on your keyboard. Control D to deselect. Right click on it, duplicate, document type, select complementary card test 3. Okay, I can close it because we don't need it. Don't save it. A Gmail is in PNG form already, but it's locked. It's locked. We can't use it. Let's drag it right here and see. It's not working. So let's pick another Gmail. Control. Let's use this Gmail. Pick here elliptical Marquee tool and draw a circle around the shape. Use your space button or your space bar to position it. Make sure you get the actual circle wall selected. Now Control J to duplicate. Now when we turn the eyeball off, we got it right here. So right click, duplicate. Document type, we select our complementary card history. Okay. Maybe you may need this logo in the near future as a PNG file. So let's quickly save this Gmail logo. Click on File, Save As, and change the format to PNG right here. Click on PNG. Click on PNG right here, and now you can rename it to Gmail logo, and now save. It was saved as a PNG file for you. So when you cross check, here's it. We open, we got it. So let's go back to our work. So now we can close this. Now we don't want to save it. Close. No. It's left. It's this one. It's already in a PNG file. So we right click, duplicate layer, select document type complementary card history. Okay, it's gone. So now you can close it. No, we don't want to save it. So we have our four logos right here. We hold shift and click on the last layer, or let's quickly rename them. We have our WhatsApp logo, our Gmail logo, location logo, and now our website logo. So once your website logo is selected or your WhatsApp logo is selected, hold shift key, then click on the website logo for them all to select together as once. Control T to free transform and reduce the size a little bit. Reduce the size by holding shift to reduce it in line or in the same shape, on the same size. Then reduce it a little bit. Now it's cool. Let's select our location because our location is gonna be right here, and our WhatsApp logo will be the next thing right here, and our Gmail will also be the next thing right here. Let's reduce it a little bit. It's cool. And our websites will be right here. So for the location, you can select your graphic designer and duplicate it because the size is cool. So drag it right here, double click on it and change the color to black. Okay, so for the location, I use my location because I don't know Caleb location. So let's say Caleb is in Awodome Estate, Accra. Control enter to accept. Let's duplicate it again. Control J to duplicate. Drag it downward and type for the WhatsApp number. We say 05757999054. Sorry, 504. Or you can add another number 05410630064. You can choose to do it double number. And now let's duplicate. Control J to duplicate. Drag it down. Double click on it. Type your Gmail, Prin designs at gmail.com. Control Enter. Duplicate. Drag it downward and type the website to www.prindesigns.com. Control Enter. Now these are back complementary card. So let's quickly do the front by increasing. Scroll down and click on your background right here. Pick your crop tool, activate it and drag it somewhere right here. Control 0, drag it more a little bit. Okay, it accepts. Our rounded rectangular. Let's duplicate it. Control J to duplicate. Select your move tool and now move it by holding shift in line. Now we got it. So we can go back to our crop tool, activate it back and push it backward silently right here. So we are going to do our front. The front is where you can add your logo and stuffs. So let's quickly select our blue rectangular one and rectangular one copy by holding Control and click. So let's duplicate them. Control J to duplicate. Now we have our rectangular 1 copy 3, rectangular 1 copy 2. So drag it whilst the 2 is selected, drag it by holding shifts right here, and now you can release it. So select your rectangular 1 copy 2, use your arrow keys to send it backward a little bit. And now you can bring your logo. Control open, PNG. Yes, our logo right here. So you can right click, duplicate layer, change the type to complementary card. Okay, and it's right here. So let's drag it to the top. We got it. Control T to fit transform. Reduce the size by holding shift key to get it in line, shift plus alt key to reduce it from the top to the down whilst moving it as once. So we got the logo right here. Sorry. So we got the logo. So we can duplicate the color, Control J to duplicate, and drag it right here. And now you and duplicate the graphic designer, duplicate it and drag it to right here and change it to your quality designs. That's the motto. And now enter, or you click on the correct sign. Now drag it right here to position it very well. Now if you have a barcode, you can easily attach it. Click on file. I just picked some barcode on the internet, but if you really want a barcode to buy, you can easily visit visit IBN. Drag it right here. If you want a barcode, you can visit the IBN International Barcode Network. They can issue you a correct barcode. I think it costs $19 for each quantity. So they get you the code plus the machine. So it's although a cool price, but for now we are just using silent. I picked some barcode on the internet. That's what we are going to use. So you can bring your barcode right here, so that when someone scan it, it will automatically drag the person to your internet and see what you do there. So applying for barcode too is somehow cool because it doesn't cost much. $19 doesn't really cost much, but let's manage it this way. So guys, we got our front and our back complimentary card. Now it's cool. Let's quickly save it. So click on file, save as, and save it in PSD form. So you can just save it. Save. Okay. It's done with loading. Go there, back again. Click on file, save as, and change the format to JPEG. Select JPEG and press on save. Leave the quantity to 12%, and now you can save it. Boom, it's done. So let's cross check our work. That's him. Alright, so we got our nice complimentary card right here, and name, the location, and all that stuffs. Alright guys, that's today's tutorial, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and comment if you have any question concerning about this tutorial. If you don't get anything or you don't understand anything in this video, just leave a comment in the comment box below. I'll quickly check it and reply you and show you what to do to get it. Okay. Alright, so guys, I'll see you in the next video. Peace up. Bye bye.